and hopefully we make it to the airport in time. So that's basically where we're headed. That's a pretty sick view out your window, huh? Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 14. It's 6 a.m. and I'm tired. But we're going to Banff! Oh my god, it's so bright. Morning. We barely got mine shut. Like, I had to sit on it and like really jump on it. This one should be easier. I ended up having to steal some space. What are wipes for? Oh my god, I ran like so fast to get ready. But I ended up changing into these like lazy pants, the ones from Costco. You would have seen from yesterday's video with a pack with me for a Banff video. Because I just didn't have enough room for them in my suitcase. So no Gymshark, pink track pants, whatever they're called. There's Anthony. My dad went and got us breakfast, I'm pretty sure. At least I'm hoping that's the case because we're waiting for him. But I'm pretty sure that's the case. Yeah, we're heading out the door. You have my laptop, right? In your backpack? Your backpack? Oh, there. We're going to Banff! He went to McDonald's, but he only got himself coffee. So we're at McDonald's for breakfast, got a tea, we're just waiting for our Happy Meals. And hopefully we make it to the airport in time because, or like our flight in time, because it's 7:24 and our flight, well 25 now, and our flight is at 9. When's boarding? Before then.
Drink.
This is like signature, we're rushing out of the house breakfast right here. We are currently in Calgary. I look like a mess, so just ignore that. Got some bad news from immigration. Not bad news, but just like something that's gonna delay things even further, which has already been delayed, but anyways. So haven't had the best day ever, but that's life, I guess. We are driving to Banff at the moment. We stopped at Costco just now because we wanted to pick up discounted ski tickets to Sunshine. What's it? Sunshine Village?
Sunshine Village.
Yeah, okay. I wasn't sure if it was Village or not. Yeah. So we did 2 lift tickets for like each. And yeah, that for now. I mean, I will see if I can manage 2 days. If I'm like not having it after the first day, which is possible, but we'll see. Yeah. It looks like clouds. Okay, let me turn the view. Anyways, if I can't manage 2 days, I'll just go 1 and he'll go 3, but we'll see. This is what we're looking at now. The thing is, it really does just look like clouds. Doesn't it? I mean, in real life.
Well, you can tell what's the clouds and what's the...
Yeah.
But it's like, yeah, it's so...
Those clouds are sharp.
It looks cool, though.
It does look cool. So that's basically where we're headed. Mountains in the distance, and we'll be there in like an hour, so.
That's like the bobsled and the ski jump and stuff, I think.
Whoa, I want to go bobsledding. Can we go bobsledding?
You can go skiing there, though.
Really?
It's just like a hill, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's more my speed, isn't it?
We should have gone there first.
Yeah, maybe as a warm-up. clouds. Like, I know that's a cloud, but like right underneath, I'm pretty sure that's mountain. But
I see mountain.
yeah, they're so tall. They're like looming. Crazy. I just want to film everything. Like every single video is just going to be like mountain montage after mountain montage. No, I'm kidding. I'll try my best. Look at that.
And Christmas is my favorite time. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. And Christmas is my favorite time.
We just entered into Canmore. We're about 8 minutes away from the hotel. We're gonna go see if we can check in early. It's like an hour, actually less than that, 45 minutes until 4. And that's when check-in time is. We're staying
at 93.
GPS. We're staying at the Worldmark Canmore Banff. I really should navigate. Hold. Okay, 4 kilometers, so we're good. It's actually part of, what is it, RCI. So my parents are actually DVC members, which is Disney Vacation Club. If you're familiar with it, it's basically like a point system where you can go to Disney resorts, stay there on points. You pay every year for, you know, your continued, you know, membership. You actually have access to non-Disney resorts around the world, and this was one of them that was included. I don't know if RCI is continuing to be a thing. I think they're dropping it, changing something. I don't know. Basically, points were expiring. My dad and my mom were not interested in traveling, and so they basically gifted us the week at the hotel because their points were expiring. They wanted, you know, we can make use of it. We got really cheap flights. In the end, I think they were like $400 for both of us to fly here and back. So we're set. And the car wasn't as expensive either. It was like 200 something. So like, I know obviously money, it's a privilege to travel. But for the money that we're paying, we're getting these sick views. So yeah, we're almost at the hotel. Hopefully we'll be able to check in early, but I'm so excited to spend the week with you, traveling around Banff and exploring Canmore. I think we're gonna explore a little bit today, you know, get some groceries, do a bunch more stuff. The cutest little cabins and stuff on the right here. So cute. It's like this whole neighborhood, I think, called Three Sisters. Worldmark.
Then your destination will be on the left.
Canmore Banff Resort. There's also the Grand Canadian.
Resort of the Rockies.
I think there's 2 or something. I think that's it on the left. Yeah.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you so much, Google. I mean, I figured there's a possibility that the room's probably ready, right? Wow, you don't even have your coat on. This is our rental car, so yeah. Little blue, not a blue Subaru, but he has a blue Subaru. All right, let's go. That guy kind of scared me. Wow. Up on the shelf.
While visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
Sugar plums! Sounds good to me.
There we go. No oven, but a stovetop. Yeah, I think so. They even have underground parking, so your car will stay nice and relatively warm.
Snow free.
Snow free, yeah, at least. Okay, I'm gonna do a proper room tour. I tried to film one before, but it wasn't that good. So, oh nice. So this is the living area. Our bags and stuff are already everywhere. We've got the kitchen here, the little table with 2 chairs. We already put some food over there, but there was some tea and coffee and stuff. Dishes. I have a dishwasher for that. There is no oven, but there is a stovetop and a microwave. So you can do a bunch. Fancy glassware. There's a kettle, a toaster, more tea, I think. Yeah, tea. Oh no, spices. That's so good. So parsley, Italian seasoning, minced onion, garlic, red pepper flakes. Oh my gosh. There's a measuring cup and spoons, a teapot. Perfect for me. Fridge, freezer. Oh, our sushi from earlier. And then the bed is on this side. It looks nice. Is it a king? Or?
It's like a game.
I thought the description said queen when I was looking at it, but okay. Washroom on this side. Let's turn on the lights. What's up? Closet. Little hamper. Toilet. Shower. Oh, and there is a bath. I thought about bringing one of the Lush bath bombs, but I didn't know if there was gonna be a bath or not. Okay, there's some shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash like bar. Is there hand soap there? Yeah, okay. And apparently the view of the pool is out the window. Yeah, and oh, I can see the steam.
Looks like it's warm.
Yeah.
Also, look up.
Look at the view. That's a pretty sick view out your window, huh? And we'll definitely hit the pool up one of these days. I don't know which day. As I said in, I'm pretty sure yesterday's vlog, honestly, every single day is gonna merge together, but it goes from inside to outside and it's warmed, so, or like heated, so super excited to jump into that one of these days. We could watch a movie. Anthony just made a great point. Internet is $5 a day, I'm pretty sure. So, like Wi-Fi at the hotel. Just in case you're thinking about staying here. I didn't realize that until a couple of days ago when Anthony was reading the reviews. Yeah, so we can't really watch anything anyways if it's streamed.
Maybe one day we'll splurge.
Maybe one day.
Yeah.
$5 for a movie.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have like DVDs to
Who
rent.
needs internet when you have a view like that?
Exactly. We'll be too busy, I feel like. Anyways, what's the plan?
Let's go.
Explore town of
Yeah, let's
Canmore?
go explore Canmore, I think. We only have like
Well, not
45
even.
minutes, an hour
Of
before
daylight?
it gets dark, but we can, I'm sure it's nice after sunset too. We'll see.
I look and I feel so tired.
Me too. I'm ready to sleep.
Me too. All right, we are off to the town center area to explore a bit of Canmore. Roads are snowy. We didn't get winter tires because it was too expensive, but look at the view. Going to the free lot and now we get the other mountain view. The sun's setting, so like it's gonna be dark by the time we head back, so you wouldn't get it otherwise, unless it was like another day. Which, subscribe if you want to follow along our Banff adventures over the course of this week. He's got the map in his hand. I handed it to him and I was like, put it in your pocket. We need access to it. And he's like, we're gonna look like tourists. But we are tourists. Even with this camera, I don't look like a tourist at all. Look at the mountain behind me. Wow. In case you were wondering, this is what we just passed. And this is Main Street, right? So cute with all the Christmas lights. If this is not the most like festive place to be, where it's like snowy and dreamy, mountains, I don't know. I don't know what is. Look, the temperature right up there for everyone to see, just above -20. Super. We're pulling a tourist.
Oh, yes. It doesn't say where the "you are here" is.
That's funny. It doesn't show us where we are. Help. I'm a little cold. You can tell by how red my face is. Like, I'm fine. If my mom's watching this, like, I'm fine. Also, I would have come home by now, so she'll know that I'm fine. And I'm sure she's watching this, so hey mom, what's up? But yeah, it's like cold. Like, my face is a little cold, but like, it's fine. It actually has made my headache go away a little bit, so that's good, because I've had a headache for a little bit. There's a car coming, but dude. Just don't hit the car. Well, this is our haul. There's like a lot of stuff in here. I think it'll last us the week from Safeway. We're back.
It's gonna steamy in here.
It's steamy in here. It's steamy in here. Hello, we're back in the room. I kind of got back and was so tired and hungry that I was like, just gotta make dinner, gotta shower and go to bed. So I stopped filming. But after food and shower, I kind of feel like definitely new woman, but also the time change of 2 hours and the fact that we like didn't get enough sleep last night is making me want to sleep right now. And it is 9:34. We're planning to try and catch the sunrise tomorrow, potentially at Two Jack Lake, which was recommended to me by a friend. If you're wanting to follow along and watch that, I will be vlogging every single day of our Banff adventure. So if you want to not miss a day, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you did enjoy it, and I cannot wait to see you in another video. Thanks so much for traveling with me to Canmore/Banff. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season.